Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. You're most welcome in class 11th accountancy. I, R.R. Tripathi from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, going to explain the financial statement of the organization or enterprises. The topic that is going on, dear children, the practical question given in your textbook. You can see a series of video regarding final account or financial statement of enterprises. Just one of the practical question, you have sent me the problem. Whether one student asks me questions, suppose that it is assumed that the problem will be facing by all the students. That's why I am going to solve this question. Only profit and loss account you have sent me, just the trading account you have already prepared. Now you can see here just the question number 14. The information given following is the trial balance of Mr. Gautam as at 31st March 2017. Goodwill 30,000, land and building 60,000, plant and machinery 40,000, loose tools 3,000, bills receivable 2,000, stock, opening stock that is given 40,000, purchase 51,000, wages 20,000, carriage invoice 1,200, coal and gas 5,600, salaries 4,000, rent 2,700. Plenty of information given in this question. And you have already prepared the trading account, so the video is being made for the sake of you on how the profit and loss account will be prepared. So additional information given in the question, you are required to prepare final account after taking into account the following adjustment. The adjustment given: closing stock on 31st March 2017 was rupees 60,000. Depreciate plant and machinery at 5%, loose tools at 15%, and furniture fixture 5%. Provide 2 whole 1 by 2% for discount on sundry debtors, and also provide 5% for bad debt and doubtful debts on sundry debtors. Only 3 quarters rent has been paid, the last quarter's rent being outstanding. Interest on but not received 600. Write off 1/4 of the advertisement expenses. So first we have to transfer, while preparing the profit and loss account, we have to transfer the GP, whatever calculated by you. So by gross profit in credit column, by gross profit, that is given 57,850. 57,850. Now come to the point, all the indirect expenses given in the information Go through the expenses, land and building, loose tools, bills receivable, wages, carriage inward, salaries, two salaries. Two salaries. Salaries given 4,000. To rent, after that rent given and the additional information given regarding the rent that is given inside of the trial balance 2,700. Add outstanding, that is for 9 months only, so we have to add the outstanding, that will be the 900 plus 900 is equal to 3,600. How? Because of that 2,700 given the rent for the 9 months only, 3 quarters paid, and rest of the rent is outstanding. So rest of the rent will be, because of that 1 month rent is 300, so 1 quarter 900. 1 quarter containing in 3 months. Then after the rent, discount allowed. To discount allowed, discount allowed inside of the column discount allowed, that is given 1,500. So in additional information given here, just we have to create the provision for discount on debtors, sundry debtors and bad debts. So the amount of the debtors that is given, amount of 45,000, a little bit of working note required over here. 45,000 into 5 upon 100. Just the amount will be 0, 5 5 are 25, 5 are 22. 2,250 the amount of the provision made on debtors for bad debts, then it can be deducted. It will be deducted from the total amount of the debtors 7, and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 42,750. Just 0, 7, 4, 2, 42,750. Then after the provide discount into 5 upon 2 into 1 upon 100. That will be the process of calculating the discount on debtors. 4, 20, 0, 0. 4,275 divided by 4. Just we can divide this one. 4 1 ja 4, 0, 4 6 ja 0, means that will be the amount of 1,750 69. So add provision for discount. Add provision for discount. 1069. That will be the total amount of discount allowed. 9652. 2569. 2569. Cash at bank, cash in hand, sundry debtors, repairs. 2 repairs. Repairs amount given 1800. 2 printing and stationery. 2 printing and stationery. You can see the information given inside of the trial balance. Stationery, that is 600. 2 bad debts. The additional information given regarding this one on debtors. So bad debts, the amount given 1200. Add provision for bad debts. Add provision. It has been calculated in working group. 2250 plus 2250 is equal to 3450. 450. Then after advertisements, to advertisement, additional information given. Advertisement, that is the amount of advertisement 3500 given, and we have to write up 1/4 of 3500. 3500 divided by 4 equal to 875. 875. Then after general expenses given, to general expenses. General expenses is, that is given 250. 250. Then carriage outwards. To carriage outwards. Carriage outwards given. Carriage outwards, the amount of carriage of 1500. 1500. Go through the additional information to depreciation. Depreciation on plant and machinery at 5%. 5% plant and machinery. Plant and machinery 5%. 5% of 40,000, 2,000. Then after loose tools at 15%, loose tools given 3,000. 3,000 of 15% loose tools. Loose tools. The amount will be 3,000 of 15%. 450. 450. Then after furniture and fittings 5%. Furniture and fixtures 1,200 that is given. 5% is equal to 60 rupees. Furniture, the depreciation on furniture is equal to 60 rupees. This one is the items just recorded in the debit side of profit and loss account. And interest on but not received by accrued interest. This one is the income. So in credit column, by accrued interest, that is 600. 600. And no any information remaining. Closing stock also adjusted in trading account. Depreciate plant machinery depreciation also recorded in profit and loss account in debit column. Discount on debtors and provision for debtors also recorded. Only 3 quarters rent has been paid, means 1 quarter rent that is outstanding also recorded. Interest earned but not received rupees 600 also recorded. Write off 1/4 of the advertisement expenses also recorded. So we can total that one. Here just you can see the credit column and debit column. 0, 5, 4, 8 plus 6 is equal to 14, 7, 8, the credit column of the PL account, the total of the credit column will be 58,450, and the debit column, just we can see the total of debit column that will be the 21,154, the debit column of the total of profit and loss account. So the credit column exceeds the debit column, that will be the net profit. 58,450 minus 21,154. 69273 to net profit, just the difference to net profit will be 37,296. 37,296. 96 yes, you can see the profit and loss account. Now dear children, you have sent me the problem. It has been solved for the sake of you how the adjustment will be adjusted while preparing the profit and loss account. See over here, accrued interest and the adjustments of provision. This one is the point that is to be noted. Whether the debtors given 45,000, first we have to create the provision of 5% on debtors for bad debts. Then after deducting the such amount, then we can calculate the provision made on debtors for discount. Okay, keep on watching the video. This one is the profit and loss account, and balance sheet you can prepare. Otherwise, in next video, I will prepare the balance sheet for this question. Thank you very much. Keep on watching.